Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to unlock the Samsung screen lock. It's not uncommon to forget your password or pattern and get locked out of your phone. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you 3 methods to unlock your Samsung screen lock. Let's get started. Method 1, using Samsung's Find My Mobile feature. The first method we're going to cover is using Samsung's Find My Mobile feature. This is a handy feature that lets you remotely unlock your device. To use this feature, you need to have set up a Samsung account and enabled the Find My Mobile feature on your device before you got locked out. First, go to the Samsung Find My Mobile website on your computer and log in with your Samsung account. Then, select your device from the list of registered devices and click on the Unlock Screen option. Follow the on-screen instructions to unlock your device. Method 2, using Google's Find My Device feature. The second method is using Google's Find My Device feature. This feature is similar to Samsung's Find My Mobile and lets you remotely unlock your device. To use this feature, you need to have a Google account and have enabled the Find My Device feature on your device before getting locked out. First, go to the Google Find My Device website on your computer and log in with your Google account. Then, select your device from the list of registered devices and click on the Lock option. Enter a new password and click on Lock again to unlock your device. Method 3, using Recovery mode. The third method is using Recovery mode. This method will erase all the data on your device, so make sure you have a backup of your important data before proceeding. First, turn off your device. Then, press and hold the volume up, power, and home buttons simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears on the screen. Release the power button, but keep holding the volume up and home buttons until the Recovery mode menu appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data Factory Reset option, and select it using the power button. Confirm the reset and wait for the process to complete. And that's it, guys. These are 3 methods to unlock your Samsung screen lock. Hopefully, you were able to unlock your device using one of these methods. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know which method worked for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.